Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Dodge Challenger trunk. First, locate the electronic trunk release button, typically found on the driver's side dashboard or door panel. Press this button firmly to engage the latch mechanism. You should hear a click as the trunk unlatches. Then, simply lift the trunk lid manually to access the cargo area. This is the most common and straightforward method for daily use. If the interior button isn't working, your key fob offers an alternative. Press and hold the trunk release button on your key fob for a few seconds until you hear the latch disengage. For emergencies, you can access the trunk from inside by folding down the rear seats. Look for a glow-in-the-dark emergency release lever inside the trunk, usually near the latch, and pull it to open. Sometimes a trunk might not open due to simple issues. First, check for any items or debris blocking the latch mechanism, preventing it from fully closing or opening. Also, verify that the valet lock switch, often located in the glove compartment, is not engaged, as this disables the trunk release. If these aren't the problem, a quick visual inspection of the wiring might reveal a loose connection. Always prioritize safety when dealing with your vehicle's trunk. Never allow children or pets to play inside, as it can be extremely dangerous. For smooth operation, regularly lubricate the trunk latch and hinges with a silicone spray. This helps prevent sticking and ensures a long lifespan for the mechanism. And hey, for staying refreshed on the go, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.